We are 36 hours into lockdown, and I'm hearing more things. I feel like I hear people outside, listening to a radio, singing, dancing, having beers. That couldn't be right. We're on lockdown. Nobody's supposed to be outside. As far as I've been informed by my contacts, the whole world's gone to hell. I'm wondering if I should tell on these people. Another thing. I was contacted for a gathering today. And once again, I had the dilemma of wondering, should I tell? I'm just trying to do my duty. I was contacted today by the Church of Scientology, asking me if I wanted to come to a thingamajiggermadig to go get my acting on. And I told them, we're in the middle of a pandemic. And unless you have a spaceship ready to get me off of this planet right now, I'm gonna have to refuse your offer. And I'm gonna have to tell. 'Cause Mama didn't raise no snitch, but you know what? Mama didn't deal with a pandemic. Anyway. Just to recap you guys on yesterday. We had another good day. The amount of birds I saw yesterday numbered at 36. It was great. It was grand. Today, I didn't count today. I didn't count how many birds there were. I was scared, so I counted people. I looked outside that window right there. And I counted people. And I gotta tell you, I saw 10 people not paying attention to the law today. You ain't supposed to be out walking your dog. I know some people say that's safe, but you don't know where Corona is. From last thing I heard, Corona hides in trees. Hides on the sidewalk in places you don't expect. That's why they tell you to wash your hands. Corona be hiding on your hands. I didn't tell any of those people, but I want to deliver a message. If you was out there, willy-nilly, living up your life, wash your hands. Go home. Stay home. Wash your hands again. Take a shower. Burn the clothes you was in, 'cause Corona riding. Corona is hiding and riding on your clothes, alright? That's all I got to say. Y'all have a good day.